Guys, today me, Sasra, and Gunika are gonna make a cake today because we have a holiday and we're hungry.
Hi, this is me, Sasra. Why? Hi, my name is Gunika.
Now, Gunika and Sasra, can you tell me what these ingredients are?
Yeah. We have egg, flowers, we have sugars. We have 1 cup of egg, and we have, I don't know what it is.
Okay. Actually, guys, this is 1.5 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of butter, 5 eggs, a bit of pineapple essence, and a bit of baking powder.
And then baking powder. What do we have to put first?
First, we're gonna add the eggs in, but carefully.
Pour it in?
Pour it in.
I'm gonna do this one. So can I do it?
And then we're gonna add the butter. Carefully add the butter.
Then I'm going to put a little bit of this.
But now let's start blending the egg and butter.
It looks like Zeus.
Gunika, can you add some of the baking soda powder?
Do it. Put it in it. Baking powder. There's a great baking sound.
What? Okay, now let's add the sugar.
Sugar?
Yeah, sugar.
Okay. Enough?
Oh, we have to put all of it.
Why do we need a lot?
Now we're gonna blend it again.
Oh my God, that's like a baking powder.
Maybe clear. Let's add the flour now.
Flour, okay? Coming
So-
right up.
Okay, flour. Don't make a mess, Gunika, please. Now let's add all of it. We have to add a bit more.
Do we need a
Wait, actually, let's start blending it.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add a bit more after we blend it. Fast, man, don't do it too fast. Okay, now we're gonna add some more flour. Sasra, don't do that.
No, Sasra, don't move my hand. Why?
Okay, now let's blend a bit more.
I don't want to hold the hand. Oh my God. Stop holding my hand.
Can you add the pineapple essence?
Yeah, here? In the bowl?
Yeah, in the bowl. Now let's start mixing. Now the batter is ready. We can put it into the cupcake.
So can I just hold your hand and do it?
Okay. Now let's add it. Hold my hand, Sasra. Sasra, be careful not to control what I'm doing, okay?
A little bit.
Be careful not to control what I'm doing. Okay. Now we're gonna put the cupcake batter into the oven. And now we're gonna on the oven. We're gonna bake it. Lime slices. We're gonna put the time to 20 minutes and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna start it. Now after 20 minutes, the cupcakes are gonna be baked and we can eat it.
And the cupcakes are so yummy. Let's try them.
Yeah, let's try them. Guys, thanks for watching and please do try our recipe. Bye.